Good Monday morning. Meteorologist Nikki Petras in the Fort Wayne's NBC Weather Center with a lot to talk about this Monday when it comes to our weather forecast. Sub-zero wind chills, temperatures in the teens, strong winds out of the north, and on top of all of that, we have some major snow set to reach us this evening. We saw some snow come down overnight. It's left the morning commute with a bit of a sloppy start. About an inch to about 3 inches in our southern areas managed to fall since the overnight hours, with more still in store throughout mid-morning. That will leave roads a bit slick and snow covered as we start the day before we get to a bit of a lull in the afternoon. Two major times of snow, first earlier on and then into the evening hours tonight, set to impact our Monday. If you have to be out and about later on today, it should be a good time to do so around lunchtime. That's when we get that lull in the snow. Temperatures still in the teens, but by this evening, looking at some major accumulation possible once we get to around the evening commute and dinner time. We could be seeing 1 to 2 inches of snow falling and accumulating per hour. That is a lot of snow to deal with, and with that, it will cause some issues for the plows to be able to keep up with the snow as it falls and continues to do so into the evening and overnight. With all that heavy snow set to fall later on, we're talking significant accumulation from this morning in the overnight hours all the way until early Tuesday morning. We could see between 4 to 7 inches of snow in our northwestern areas, Kosciuszko County, LaGrange County, into the northern parts of Steuben and Noble counties. But from Allen County really on to the east and south, we could see some major snow, 7 to 11 inches potentially, with some areas potentially even more than 11, because the snow that we're seeing today is going to be much more fine, lighter snow, not that heavy snow that really sits. This can get blown around and lead to some issues and some drifting snowbanks if you are going to be out and about later on throughout the day. Again, the evening commute, the most inclement time to be out this one day. Looking at, again, those 7 to 11 inches of snow, a winter impact number of 4. Again, with the drifting and blowing snow, that will make some roads very difficult to travel on. So if you can, take care of any of those errands or things you need to worry about this Monday during the lunchtime hours, and then by this evening, so you're home and hunkered down when the snow really gets going. 14 degrees though, our high. We're sitting in the teens now. We're not going to get much warmer as we head into the afternoon. The winds really pick up as the snow continues into the evening, and we're going to feel like we're down well below zero as we even fall to the single digits overnight, a low of just 6 degrees. Snow begins to wind down overnight, a few light flurries possible early on Tuesday morning before things just turn partly cloudy by the afternoon. We're not done with winter weather today, though. Looking at another shot of snow by Thursday, so a lot to talk about. Stay with Fort Wayne's NBC all day long, on air, on social media, and online. We'll have more, the latest on the snow coming up tonight at 5, 6, and 11.